Traditional process of drying fish in Negombo, a city in Sri Lanka known for its fishing industry. Typically, the process involves the following steps. 1. Cutting the fish. The fish are cut to remove unwanted parts and to ensure they are of a manageable size for drying. 2. Cleaning the fish. This involves removing the guts and other internal parts, the fish to get rid of any impurities. 3. Drying the fish. The cleaned fish are then laid out on sea sand drying under the sun. The heat from the sun and the natural breeze help dehydrate the fish, preserving them for longer periods. This traditional method is a simple yet effective way to preserve fish, allowing local communities to store and consume it long after the catch. The dried fish are often used in various local dishes or sold in markets.